Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please make sure you follow my page because I have a lot of recipes to share with you. In today's video, I'll share with you how to make potato salad. It's simple, it's easy, and it's delicious. Let's get started. So as you can tell here, I've already peeled my potatoes. I'll go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces, into small cubes. So this is the size I'm going in for. You can make yours a little bit smaller or more bigger as you want it, but it should be more or less like this. I'll go ahead and wash it, add it to my saucepan, and add in enough water to cook it. Whilst the potatoes is cooking, I'll go ahead and chop or prep the rest of the veggies, which is carrots, onion, and red chili pepper. So you can use any vegetables of your choice. After some minutes, I'll go ahead and check the potatoes, and as you can tell here, it's not that overcooked, so please don't overcook it. Once you smash it and you find out it's ready, take it out from the fire. Mine cook for more or less about 10 to 15 minutes. In the same water, I'll cook the veggies as well. So I first added in the carrots. I think about 4 to 5 minutes should be fine. I'll repeat the same process to the other veggies. For the onion and the red chili pepper, it took less than 3 minutes. Like by 2 minutes it was ready. You do not want to overcook the onion and the chili pepper. So once everything is ready, let's go ahead and make the salad. In a big bowl, add in your potatoes and then the vegetables. So there's the carrots, the green peas, the onion. I also added in cooked ham and then the red chili pepper. I'll add in caramelized bacon as well, and then cooked egg, salt, black pepper, and some sugar. I'll mix these ingredients together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount and the ingredients that I used in the description box or in the comment section. After, I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and then fresh cream. I'll mix it together again till well combined. Last but not the least, I'll add in lemon juice and fresh chopped parsley. I'll mix this together again until everything has combined, and then our potato salad is ready. Just look at this amazing thing. For the fresh cream, it's optional. You can use only mayonnaise and then it will turn out great as well. Just look at this amazing thing. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, for the best results, close it and put it in the fridge overnight. Trust me, it will be very, very yummacious. So I served mine with fried chicken, and this will be uploading soon on my channel. Stay tuned. Love you all and stay blessed.